Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to create your own sound balance for headphones Sony LinkBuds. You have to start by open headphones application. Make sure that your buds connected to your device and then click sound. Now scroll down until you see a line find your equalizer and click on start. Now you should turn on your song and click next. Now you click on buttons one by one and choose the best one sound for you. Let's say free, and click next. Now you should do it again. Let's say 8 and click next. Click on before and click on after, and if you like after, click on finish, save, and here we go, we just created. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!